Hey everybody, welcome to the Denver Auto Show. So it's our first morning. We got a TV crew over there setting up that we're going to go talk about the car, I guess. So that should be happening in the next few minutes. But yeah, we'll take some videos over the show, and hopefully I'll post some of these before the end, because I know I owe you guys a video. So let's go ahead and see what's happening. So we've got it set up. It looks really good in the morning sun, except for my shadow. As you guys can see, we're sitting out here waiting for the show. They're gonna open this tent over here, which has all the exotics in it, so we'll be right next door to them. So yeah, so hopefully we'll get ourselves some coffee and then move along. So far it's been a pretty good day. We've had a good stream of folks come in and see the car, ask lots of questions. Again, a big thank you for the folks who are doing the Denver Auto Show and having us here. It's been a privilege and an honor to be able to show our car off in this venue. And then also over here, we're in the exotic row, I guess as they call it. You can see an Urus there and a Huracan there. We've got some McLarens over here. I really love that maroon McLaren. And this is the Mike Ward Automotive exotic. They do exotics, so they do, I guess, Rolls-Royce, Koenigsegg, Lamborghini, McLaren, Aston Martin. But they got some really nice cars here, and they've also been treating us very, very well. So good company. I always like to give a shout out to companies that you know, kind of pull us in and really appreciate the work that we've done on our car. So big shout out to Mike Ward. But yeah, so we're gonna keep going with the show. Hopefully this afternoon we're gonna get a little bit more traffic. School lets out and we'll get some more kids. We've actually had some kids already in the car. There's lots of other cool stuff to do here, and so we're going to be taking advantage of some of that. And then also Elitch's is right next door. It's behind the Excel Energy there. I think if I go out we can see the tower and stuff like that, and you can come down here and go for a play. So there's the tower. So you can get a pass to come to the show and to go to Elitch's and have some fun on the rides. Well, this is the end of day one, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the car in and put the cover on her. But we've had a lot of people come today. Thanks again to Mike Ward Automotive for being such great neighbors, and all the people who came and saw the car. I think we had a very good showing. So I'm tired. Trevor's over there, he's pretty tired, so we're gonna pack it up and go have a beer. So we'll see you tomorrow. Well, it's morning of day 3. So we've had a really good show. We've had a lot of people around the car, a lot of questions, a lot of kids. The overall response has been very positive, so we're really happy about that. I'll go ahead and take some video, and I'm gonna walk around today and we'll check some stuff out. There's a new Mustang, the actual real Mustang, not that silly SUV thing. And they have a cool little simulator here. So a lot of people brought their Challengers. Pretty cool. cool. So I'm here at the Mike Ward dealership where they do exotics. So they have an Urus over here, Aston Martin SUV right here, and we've got a 720 McLaren. Never been a real big fan of the McLarens, but the 720 is not really my favorite, but I think they're pretty cool. They do have a V8 with twin turbos. This one, on the other hand, is my jam. So I got to sit in it yesterday, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So only $220,000, so not too bad. And then over here we have another Aston Martin. So that's a pretty car. They even have Alfa Romeos. Here's a Giulia. Infinity, not that exciting. Yep. And some Rolls. It's the one that I can afford. And we're back to our baby. So she's looking pretty good. I've had some snide comments, but most of them have been very, very constructive. So pretty happy about that. So today's our last day at the show. So far it's gone pretty good. We had to put the barriers up because we had kids actually crawling around on the car. So unfortunately that means that I can't let people in and out of the car, but you know, it is what it is. So let's go and take a look at some of this stuff here at the show. Well guys, she's back in the garage. Yay! So we're done with this show. It was awesome. We had a great time. It was exhausting because it was 5 days, but we did survive. A huge thank you to Trevor Colbo for flying out here and helping me with the whole thing, and you know, helping me with the whole show. So that was really, really awesome. A big thanks to Willie B for lending the trailer. That would have not been possible to go without him helping. And then Lowell Briggs at the car show. He's the one who invited us and got us down there and hosted us just awesome. So Ann has invited us back for next year, so you'll look for us at the show next year. Anyway, thanks again. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And stay safe out there. We'll talk to you soon.